Today, TFS Ambassador. I got this in last week, and it's quite a lovely soap, I must say. It's a lavender scented soap, limited edition. I don't know how much jars they will be making, but I bought one to try, so here we go. Today I have my R41 with the same Personna that I had last time. We have Speick as aftershave and my Henk Scheerkraam custom Silvertip. So here we go. Let's see how it goes. Performance wise, I expect nothing but the best from TFS, so hope that's still good. On the scent side, it's out of the jar a little light. Let's see if this changes when I'm lathering. By the way, I don't use it brush so much because it's really soft, a bit floppy. And I like a bit of backbone on most of my brushes. So. Lather seems to be going pretty well. Didn't use a lot of soap, but seems to be going pretty well. Oh, it's a mess already. Seems to be shaving fine. Pretty slick. I haven't shaved since Thursday, so a nice layer of stubble to mow down, and it seems to be going pretty well. So on with pass number 2. Scent is pretty light, but doable. What I understand from TFS is that the soap was also made to be compatible with people with sensitive skin, so maybe that's why they made it so light on the scent. It performs pretty well. on with the latest pass, the touch-ups. The brush seems to be working fine today. Should be using it more, but oh well, we'll see. Shave feels good so far. Starting to like my R41 again. Wow, without cutting myself. Nice. Done? Well, at least almost done. Yep. Let's rinse off and end the shave. And again, really smooth with the R41. And as you can see, no bleeding, no irritation, absolutely smooth on all sides. Nice. Well, time for the Speick. Lovely stuff. The only stuff that I could find in my den that matches the soap, so. And it's good for the skin too, so double win. And again, no stinging. That's always good. Let's rinse off and we're done. Well, that was it for this morning. Like, share, subscribe if you want to. If you have anything to say, just drop it in the comment box down below, and we'll see you back on Wednesday. Bye bye.